Hello, welcome to this 6th episode dedicated to making 10 video transitions using Adobe Premiere Pro CC. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make
the fluid transition
in a few simple steps. Our fluid transition has a duration of 25 frames. It produces a distortion of the image, obtaining a particular effect. We like to use it above all in dreamlike or particularly suggestive situations. Max at the computer.
Francesca the voice.
Let's start! As you already know, the first thing to do is add an adjustment layer to the sequence. This time we need to set 25 frames and marker to frame number 10. Position it in the timeline with the marker at the cut point. To make this transition, we will need only one effect: turbulent displace. We insert the turbulent displace effect in the adjustment layer. Move the playhead on the cut point. In size, add a keyframe with the default value 100. Still in size, set the minimum value to at the start and end of the clip. Done! It was really fast. You can now enjoy customizing the effect by selecting one of the options available in the Displacement Property drop-down menu. Also, in this tutorial, we have seen how we can use a Premiere effect to obtain an original video transition. In the next video, we will see how to make the 7th video transition, Electric Twitch. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.